Welcome to my video. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fatahillah. My name is 2023-32125 and I'm from System Information Study. Okay, welcome to my video. Today I will discuss about network security and footprinting. In today's digital age, securing your network is more important than ever. But before we can protect our systems, we need to understand how attackers gather information about their targets. This process is called footprinting. In this video, we will explore the basics of network security, the importance of footprinting, and how to perform it ethically. Let's dive in. Okay, first, let's start with the basics. Network security refers to the policies, procedures, and practices designed to protect a computer network from threats like viruses, malware, hacking, and unauthorized access. Its goal is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and systems. These three principles are known as the CIA triad. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive information. Integrity protects data from being altered or manipulated by unauthorized parties. And availability ensures that system and data are accessible when needed. Without these, networks are vulnerable to attacks. Networks are vulnerable to attacks. Okay, next we will talk about the types of networks. Networks come in different types, each with its own security challenges. Local area network cover small areas like home or offices. Metropolitan area network spans a city or campus. Wide area network connects countries or even continents. And last, wireless LAN provides wireless but is more vulnerable to attack if not secured properly. Next, understanding this network helps us identify potential vulnerabilities and secure them effectively. Now let's talk about footprinting. Footprinting is the first step in a penetration test. It's the process of gathering information about a target systems or network. This information can include IP address, domain details, network infrastructure, and even security policies. Footprinting helps attacker or ethical hackers to identify weaknesses to exploit. But why is footprinting so important? It gives us a clear picture of the target, making it easier to find vulnerabilities. For ethical hackers, this information is crucial for strengthening defenses. There are two main techniques for footprinting, passive and active. Passive footprinting involves collecting publicly available information using tools like Google, Whois, or DNS lookups. Meanwhile, active footprinting involves directly interacting with the target using tools like Nmap or Traceroute to map the network and identify open ports. Now, let's see how these tools work in practice. Let's start with ipconfig. This command displays the IP configuration of your device, including the default gateway. For example, typing ipconfig will show the default gateway as your own gateway. For example, mine is 192.198.1.1. Next, we will use nmap for host scanning. The command is nmap-sn. This will scan the network to identify active devices. This is useful for mapping the network. Now, let's perform a stealth scan using nmap-ss. This scans for open ports without being easily detected. Finally, we will use NSLOOKUP to find the IP address of a domain, like Instagram. Typing nslookup instagram.com reveals the IP address, for example, 31.13.95.174. Now let's move to network scanning. We will use Zenmap a graphical interface for Nmap. First, we will perform a ping scan to identify active hosts in the network. The command is nmap-sn. Next, we will do a regular scan to check for open ports. For example, port 80 for HTTP and port 3306 for MySQL. And then we will perform an intent scan using Nmap. The command is -t4-a-v. This scans for operating systems, services, and vulnerabilities. Finally, we will do a slow comprehensive scan to thoroughly check all TCP and UDP ports. This is slower but avoids detection by security systems. Okay. Network security is crucial to protect data, systems, and infrastructure from cyber threats. It ensures confidentiality through encryption, integrity through hashing, and availability through firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Without proper security, networks are vulnerable to attacks like malware, phishing, and DDoS. By understanding footprinting and network scanning, we can identify vulnerabilities and take steps to secure our system. That's it for today's video. We've covered the basic of network security, the importance of footprinting, and how to perform it using tools like Nmap and Zenmap. Remember, ethical hacking is about protecting systems, not exploiting them. Okay, stay safe. My name is Muhammad Abu Fatailah. Thank you for watching.